Namaste to all. This is Purple Monk, and in this episode of Ayurveda Enlightened, I'm going to explain to you a verse from one of the classical texts of Ayurveda, which enumerates the 20 chief qualities of a substance, or dravya. How do we describe a thing or a substance? For instance, to describe a rock, we say its properties, such as its texture, weight, temperature, size, etc. Just like the rock, any given substance can be described by its properties or qualities, and that is termed as guna in Sanskrit. In Ayurvedic classical text, an important verse enumerates the 20 chief gunas, called the Gurvadi Gunas in detail. The verse goes, Guru Manda Himasnigdha Shlakshna Sandra Mrudustiraha Gunaha Sasukshma Vishada Vimshatihi Saviparyaya. In this verse, 10 pairs of opposite qualities are mentioned. These include heavy, light, dull, sharp, cold, hot, unctuous, dry, smooth, rough, dense, fluid, soft, hard, firm, moving, subtle, bulky, clear, and slimy. The things which are heavy are said to be nourishing or restorative. Those which are light causes lightness in the body. Those which are dull are good for pacifying the doshas. Sharp quality substances help in purifying. Those which are cold stops or halts a movement. Those which are hot is good to induce sweating. Sticky or unctuous substances are good for the moisturizing, and dry substances to absorb. Those which are smooth promotes healing. Those which are rough are good for scraping. Dense substances are palliative in nature. Those which are fluid for stirring or churning up. Smooth substances help to cause looseness. Hard substances help improve firmness. Those which are firm is good for holding up or supporting. Those which are moving to initiate. Those which are subtle to spread out. Those which are bulky to cover up. Clear substances helps to clean, and slimy substances to smear. But there are some other qualities, such as vyavai, which is the quality that spreads or diffuses all over the body and undergoes transformation. Vikashi, that which dilates or relaxes the dhatus and loosens attachment and joints. Ashukari, that which operates speedily. Prasanna, that which is visibly clear. Sugandha, that which is fragrant. We have all these along with their opposites and many more. The reason why only 20 gunas or qualities are specified is that all the other qualities are merged in these 20 qualities. The vyavai guna can be categorized under the drava or fluid quality. The vikashi can be categorized under the khara or rough property. The ashukari under the sara or moving property, and clearness or prasanna guna under the sthula or bulky property. This means that vyavai is the opposite of dense or sandra, vikashi is the opposite of shlakshna or smooth, and ashukari is the opposite of firm or sthiraguna. The properties I mentioned before, that is vyavai, vikashi, ashukari, etc., are the properties of alcohol. The opposite of these is considered to be the properties of ojas, or the essence of the seven dhatus. All of the qualities of ojas, along with purity or clearness, is a quality of milk. So now you would be thinking, how are these 20 gunas important? The guna or qualities forms the basis of any substance. The quality of a substance is something which is inseparable from the substance. If the quality changes, the substance also changes. It's a quality through which substance is identified. The knowledge of these 20 properties provides a better way to diagnose and treat the disease. So what's the nearest object to you right now? Can you identify its gunas or qualities from the 20 chief qualities? Do let us know by leaving a comment below right now.